I know what you all were thinking. I was just missing one ingredient. Why didn't I think about it? So I have to get naked again. This time, it's the naked bacon cheeseburger. Watch out. Okay, let's set the scene here. I've got a foil-lined pan, and I'm going to put some of this parchment paper in there too to avoid sticking. If you don't have some kitchen shears, you should get some. It makes it really easy to open stuff like bacon. And then we're going to make the bacon weave. Check it out. Now there was just enough bacon in this particular package to get 3 squares. That's basically 9 strips, and then we had 2 strips left over. But we'll cook it all up anyway because bacon always comes in handy later on. So this is ButcherBox ground beef, and you might want to check out ButcherBox if you want to have a lot of meat delivered right to your door once a month. Quality steaks, chicken, and ground beef, and no, I'm not getting paid for this, I just like it. So I'm going to use my kitchen shears to open this package. I'm going to divide this 1 pound of ground beef into 4 pieces, so that's basically 4 1/4-pound burger patties. Any meat that sticks to the knife while you're divvying it up, just put it with the smallest looking piece. We're going to use this parchment paper and this 3D printed patty press that I made a couple of days ago to form these meat patties. And they're looking good. Just because it's a naked bacon cheeseburger doesn't mean that we should spare the appropriate accoutrements. So we're going to prepare some produce. We're going to get some lettuce and tomato and onions. Slice up some cheese, and the cheese plays a really important role, as you'll see later on. I also like to drain the pickles, so I'm going to set them out too. So this was the thick cut bacon, which is less than ideal for the bacon weave. It just takes longer to cook. I went 10 minutes on each side, then I went 5 minutes on each side. So 10 minutes flip, 10 minutes flip, 5 minutes flip, 5 minutes. So the T-Fal Groovy Grill that my kids got me for Christmas a few years ago has signaled it's time to cook some burgers. I'm going to use a little bit of this Weber Chicago steak seasoning on the burgers, and I'm going to keep things moving with a little spritz of this buttery flavored food release. Okay, moving along into the future here, we've got some burger flipping and some bacon flipping, so stay with it, keep things moving. Cooking is all about timing. Okay, it's finally coming together. The bacon squares are done, the burgers are done. It's time to assemble the naked bacon cheeseburger. Here we go. We're going to let the bacon squares drain a little bit. We'll clean up the bacon tray. All right, we get our plate out. And let's get out our bottom bacon square. Oh, this looks perfect. Here we go. We're going to dress this from the bottom up with some lettuce. Let's get a couple of lettuce cups in there. I want some tomato in there. Let's get 3 of those tomato slices. A couple slices of onion. Nice. And we're going to get 5 pickle slices up in there. Now I of course like mustard, but you're welcome to dress your burger the way you like it. So I'm going to get my mustard out here. Give it a little shake. See if I can't artfully arrange it on top of the burger. We're a little low on mustard, but we'll rough it out. Here we go. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Yeah, that'll have to do. So now here's where the cheese comes in real important. You need that bacon square. That bacon square might have holes in it. It's a good bacon weave, but I'm going to push that cheese onto the bacon. The bacon's still a little warm. You don't want to melt the cheese necessarily, but the cheese is going to act as a force field to keep the dilithium crystals, the mustard, inside the sandwich instead of leaking out through the top. Okay. Here's the moment of truth. The sandwich is assembled. A little pat. Alright, let's clear out the plate, make it look good. And I'm going to take the first bite. Here it goes. Hang on. Yeah, we did it. Alright, the naked bacon cheeseburger. Of course, being naked, it's a little shy, so it's not going to take a selfie. So I got to get a few snapshots of this naked bacon cheeseburger. Need a thumbnail for the YouTube video, of course. And then I sat down and enjoyed lunch with the cold soda. Watched some PewDiePie. Alright, well, thank you very much. Please subscribe to ShotokuTech so little Jimmy can have legs, won't you? Thank you very much. So we're going to get some produce ready here and cut the cheese. Oops.